Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the God of War game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. Once you are taken into the store page, you can then click on the search button and then type in God of War to begin your search. Once you find the God of War game, just click on it and then click on the view page button after confirming your date of birth. You can now check out the trailer and the reviews left by users. Now if you scroll down, you will see the add to cart button. Just click on this button and then click on view my cart. You can now continue towards your payment and then choose your payment method from the drop down menu. After selecting your method, continue forward and then provide the credentials for your chosen payment method. Once you have confirmed your credentials and the transaction has completed, the game will then be added to your library. And once it is in your library, you can complete the installation with just a few clicks. And now you can start enjoying the God of War game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the God of War game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.